right. Every smart investor knows that one of the secrets of making real estate money wealth is getting there first before the other people get there. Knowing those developing areas before every other person goes there. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you, showing you some of the steps, some of the tricks, some of the hacks that you are going to be able to, to discover to be able to go and take advantage of upcoming real estate opportunities before the boom starts. So if this is a content you would love to watch, please hang on and put on your seatbelt and ride with me. So in today's episode, I'm going to start that one of the first things that you need to identify, in going in discovering real estate opportunity before other people get there is one, you need to be able to watch out for government infrastructural plans. What do I mean by that? So put your ears down, make some research, and discover what are government infrastructural plan in certain locations. For instance, if you watch out that you hear the news in papers that government is planning to dualize the road, to do healthcare facilities, to do railway station, to build airports in certain locations. These are all prime locations that is good for you to get in there first before the property boom. So watch out for government plans, government infrastructural plans in certain locations. Those are one of the secrets, one of the hacks that you need to know before go there, buy real estate and buy it fast before the property booms or before other people get there. And number two, you're going to find out is that look out for early developers and brands, especially real estate developers. People that have been into the business that understand the trends. When you see them moving to a particular location, a particular district, a particular county, and so on and so forth, you know that such places have potential development. So if you know real estate brands in your city, especially when you see a couple of them, a number of them, two, three, four, five brands moving towards a location, you should know that those people have some insights that even you that you are not currently operating in industry have. So look out for real estate developers and brands. Where are they moving towards to? Which areas are they going? If you follow such trends, I am telling you, you are going to be one of the early buyers, early adopters that will buy properties in those areas at a very affordable, cheap price before the markets boom. So look out for developers and brands where they are moving to. So number three, step three is that check out population growth and migration. Which area are people most likely moving to? Which area? Which area are people moving into? Where are people migrating? Which states? Which county? Which locality are people moving into? Are you seeing rapid development? Are you seeing population growth? So in such areas, these are somehow to identify places that you need to be able to cash in, to go there to invest before other people get in there or before the property booms. So look out for what? For population growth and migration. Areas where you know that the population is sparking up. This is across the world. It's not just country specific now. So this video is not about country specific. It's about these are all signs and trends and strategies you need to watch out for if you want to cash in, into real estate investment before the boom starts. So again, you need to watch step 4. You need to track commercial activities. Where are the areas where you know that we are having a lot of commercial activities? In the sense that there are shopping malls, there are markets, moving towards that area. There are factories, there are industries moving towards that area. If you're in Nigeria, somewhere in Lagos, like where the Dangote refinery, the seaport, the free trade zone, the Lake International Seaport, those are all commercial activities. You should know that the properties in those areas are going to be booming in years to come or in few years to come. So those are areas you need to be able to latch in first, to go in, and before those properties skyrocket. So you look out for what? Commercial growth areas, places where you know that there's a lot of commercial activities happening there. As I said, industries, factories, and so on and so forth. Then again, number 5 is that study the land prices and speed of sales. Study how the land are appreciating, how people are selling out fast. Maybe a particular location you know about, maybe a few months back, and you go back there and they're telling you the place is sold out. You go to another location, and few months down the line, you visit a location today. Few months ago, you went there, the place was probably bush, and you go there, you've seen a lot of clearing, you have seen some kind of infrastructure going on there. You should know such areas are areas that people are rushing in to buy. So these are some, that such places will definitely boom. Such areas will definitely boom. So you need to watch out for such areas. Another point again, you need to watch out what? Visit the area. Visit the area eventually. Do some field research yourself. At least you're seeing, you see. When you look at where you see that development is coming, you see pockets of maybe construction going on here and there. So visit those places. Or if in case you are in diaspora, you are not where the place is, you can send a trusted friend, allies, relatives to go there, possibly do a video call. I call it a virtual inspection. You go there and the person do it around the area, around the neighborhood, and you can have an idea how this place was maybe 5 years ago, 1 year ago, or even 1 month ago, or when you were around in the country. So such areas is places you need to invest, and invest quick before the boom comes in. Then again, check out for upcoming landmarks and industries, which is almost similar that about the commercial one I mentioned earlier. So check out for upcoming landmarks and industries in such places. So it's similar to what I mentioned before, so about government commercial, area. So check out for such things. When you're seeing a lot of activities, commercial activities happening in a particular location, you should know that such places have potential boom. And finally, and which is also very important, talk to real estate insiders. Real estate insiders, I mean people that are playing in the industry, agents, people like us. Do you understand? Talk to them. Talk to them. So people like us can be able to guide, because some of us that have been in the industry for over a decade, so we know some of this, how to spot, some of these, things that I've told you about. So let me quickly recap some of them that you need to be able to. So I said that number 1 is that watch government infrastructural plan in the area. Number 2, I said look out for early developers and brands that have moved there. Then number 3, check out for population and migration trends towards the area. Check out for that. If the population is suddenly increasing and jumping up, you know that is a place that are going to boom. The number 4, I said track commercial activities. If there have been increase on commercial activities in such areas, that is also a very good sign. But what? Study the land prices and speed of sale in the areas. Are people selling their place very, very fast? Study it. That's another very, very good point for you to do. Then number 5 is visit the area. Do some field research yourself, or send a trusted person, trusted allies to be able to go there, and check it out for you. And of course, the final, and then check again, number 7, check for upcoming landmarks and industries in the area. Check it out. Go there yourself, look for it, or ask questions. What are the industries? What are the things that are coming in such areas? Check them out. I tell you that you will be shocked the kind of rapid development and potential of such places. And finally, what? Talk to real estate insiders, agents, people like us that have been in the industry for some time. I bet you that they will give you a lot of insight, to do that. So if you follow these signs, I bet you most likely will have good real estate offers, good real estate investment insights. If you follow this point, if you go through, listen to this message again, I mean this video again, watch it over again, listen, follow all these about 7 steps. I am telling you, you will most likely not miss it in your real estate investment. So don't just forget to subscribe. I tell you that if you find this, interesting, just subscribe, make a comment, maybe ask any question in case you want any particular point to be clarified, or you ever want to consult me to help you look out for a neighborhood that you're already been interested to buy. Of course, share it, like it, and so that other people that are interested in such information will get to know about it. So thank you for watching today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.